It might have been quicker to go the Minging way.
Sorry?
Might be quicker to go the Mingy way. Might be quicker to go the other way around.
What? 453?
Yeah. Well, what we're trying to do is that we're going up to Norton in Donington, or Castle Donington. Got my directions wrong again. God knows how long it's going to take us to cut through all this traffic. It doesn't end till 9 o'clock, so there's no mega rush. He was right though, this is a nicer route. It was worth it for the traffic jam of rage. Well, there's a ton of bikes around here, so we must be going the right way. Oh my god, that's ace. Oh man, what if we can rent those? I assume that's a clutch. Alright. We're going. That was a bit. I'm gonna have. Hell, this thing's crazy. Oh, he's down! He's down! I've been lapped! Gotta catch up! Come on, man! Speed bump! Oh, I've gone wide! I want a rematch, mine stalled! I'm going down! Oh, I got another guy down! I've crashed! Sorry! I f***ed up.
Do you want to finish over the line so you finish the race? So we go, don't get to it, innit? Yay!
Oh god, that's it for me, I think. Go big or go home. Here they go. Extreme racing. Mind the curb, lads. Oh! Here comes Rossi. He's in the lead. Go on, mate. You can make it. Now that was a lot of fun. Apart from when I nearly took out that guy on a Ninja. Because also I think it's safe to say that mini motor racing is not, I repeat, not my calling in life. But if you want a good ride out to Castle Donington, get yourselves down here. It's ace. And it also doesn't clash with MFN or any other bike nights. That I know of anyway.